Hey everyone, welcome back to Droid Scripter. In the last video, we built a login screen using Jetpack Compose, and today we're continuing by adding the registration screen with validation logic to ensure users enter valid credentials. In this register screen, users can create an account. So we need the following: validation for empty fields, email format checking, password matching logic, error messages for better user experience. First, we need navigation to switch between the login and register screens. Our first step is to create a new composable function named AppNavigator that will be responsible for handling the navigation logic between the login and registration screens. We use navhost and navcontroller. This allows us to define multiple screens and navigate between them using simple function calls. Here, login is our start destination, and composable register defines the route for the register. In the next step, we're going to create a new file where we'll move our login component for the main activity. Now, in the main activity, we gonna call the AppNavigator function. Now, we're creating the register screen. Now we set that instructs the app to navigate to the register screen. Navcontroller is an instance of navcontroller responsible for handling navigation between different composable screens. And register is the root name of the register screen, which we defined inside the nav host. Now, let's take a look at our register screen composable function. This screen will allow users to sign up by entering their name, email, password, and confirming their password. We'll also add form validation to ensure correct user input before proceeding with registration. First, we define state variables using remember mutable stateof to store user inputs for name, email, password, and confirm password. We also create Boolean states to toggle password visibility and handle validation errors for each field. Now, let's build the UI using Jetpack Compose's column layout. Here we gonna set fill max size to our column, padding and center all using alignment center horizontally. At the top, we display a title text, create account, and a subtitle prompting the user to enter their details. Next, we add text field components for name, email, password, and confirm password. Each field includes an icon and proper styling. The label dynamically changes to show an error message if validation fails. For passwords, we implement visibility toggles using an icon. Now let's create the Register button. Here in OnClick we check if fields are empty and display error messages accordingly. We also verify if the email format is correct using patterns email_address. Most importantly, we ensure that the password and confirm password fields match. If everything is valid, we proceed with registration logic. At the bottom, we provide a text button labeled "Already have an account, login." When clicked, it navigates the user back to the login screen using navcontroller.navigate login. This enables seamless switching between authentication screens. To enhance the UI, we include a Lottie animation. We use Remember Lottie composition to load an animation resource and animate it using Animate Lottie composition estate. This makes the screen visually appealing while maintaining a smooth user experience. And that's it for today. We've built a login and register system with Jetpack Compose Navigation and Validation. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android tutorials. Let me know in the comments what features you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and happy coding!